Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ollie here from CryptoVest.com. It's the 6th of November today, and we're going to be looking at Cardano trading against Bitcoin over one-day candles. We haven't really caught up with ADA for the last month. We checked out where this blue marker is back on around October the 8th. That was just after the announcement that Ichimoku had partnered with Reattempts, and so it would allow people in Korea to purchase things with ADA in over 33,000 stores, and that was all really good and everything. That was a great announcement, and everything was shaping up for a sort of bullish reversal. We were looking to break through the Ichimoku cloud here, and it was about to be a turnaround point, but unfortunately the Bitcoin market had a different idea, and a few days after this TA, Bitcoin plummeted by about $400. And it caused the rest of the market to kind of unravel. And so since then I've kind of left it and been waiting for it to kind of break out of this sort of low volatility phase where we've just really seen hardly any trading activity. And then obviously 4 days ago, for those of you that haven't been following the news, basically Cardano brought out an announcement that it's going to be opening its own cryptocurrency trading platform. Ichimoku's partnered with IronFX to create the new IronX platform, and it will use ADA as its base currency, kind of like Binance Coin is the base currency for the Binance exchange. So yeah, it should really help drive adoption and people using ADA. And obviously that's had a huge effect on the price. It's now started to lift off this sort of bottom, showing like an increase in bullish momentum, and we're now approaching, or we're now into this very thin now resisting Kumo cloud. So it appears that we've sort of found this bottom for now, as the volatility has been really low. We're now starting to pick up again, and we're looking like we could break through this soon. Looking at the MACD indicator, we've got other promising signs. So obviously when we last looked at it, it had just broken over the signal line and then it came crashing through. Right now it's spiking high above the 26 MA. The 12 MA is really getting close now to this signal line, and we've got good buying candles on top of the histogram here, so that's a good sign. Yeah, the RSI you can see straight away, it's had this huge spike of momentum, only a couple of deviations but nothing too crazy, and we're now almost 60% of the way into the channel, so that's all looking pretty good. I think if we look at this Chaikin money flow indicator as well, there's some sort of fairly promising signs on there as well. So yeah, it's had this massive spike. In fact, it actually preempted the run, so we had a huge spike of momentum prior to the bull run here. So that would have been a good signal to catch early, buy in here, and then obviously ride it up. It started to correct a little bit back down, but again, nothing major. It's just collecting as bulls fight against the selling pressure, and we're really looking forward for it to break through here. It's been a really long bearish episode for Cardano. It hasn't had a great deal of pushback. We haven't really seen many bulls return to the asset since I had that huge run up in January. So it'd be nice for this to catalyze the start of the bottom, and from here we'd like to sort of see the first target around the sort of 1,387 sats mark, which was a strong resistance at the end of September, and it was a good support for the asset in the mid-August. So we'd like to see that overcome in the first sort of short-term period, and then from there we've got a longer sort of mid-term target around 1,879 sats, and obviously was a key resistance in the past as well. So I think just to give you an idea of how far away we are from those targets, we're about 14% away from the first target, and the second target is around 55% of the way away. So big gains to be had, but they may take a little while to materialize. Obviously the Bitcoin market is a little bit uncertain right now. A lot of people are getting overly bullish about it, and we'll look at Bitcoin tomorrow, but it's just not looking too good. I think it will continue traveling sideways. If anything, is like a bit of an ascending triangle pattern it's falling into at the moment, but we'll look at that tomorrow and see where that's going, and if it does end up breaking bearish, then perhaps we'll see ADA do something like this, where it'll actually climb through the cloud, maybe find this first target, but then break bearish from here and then continue back down again. We may just continue inside this range. So yeah, so a few things to take into consideration. I really want these guys to do well. Big fan. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please check out the full TA at CryptoVest.com, and please like and subscribe, guys. Thank you.